Okay, good. So my name is Klara Altintoprak, and I'm from BioRegio Stern. This is a cluster organization located within the southwestern part of Germany, and we are publicly funded by by two regions, the region of Stuttgart and Neckar-Alb. And we are there are about 250 cities and municipalities with roughly 3 million inhabitants, and we have also a strong economic power of 200 billion euros. This is especially due to the fact that we have a strong automobility sector in this region with Mercedes and Porsche. But we, as cluster organization, focuses on the life sciences. We have 250 companies in this area. For example, biotech company, digital health, medical technology companies, but also engineering and different kind of research institute and service providers. You can see here some examples of spin-offs of our research and technology organizations. So we have these three cities with Stuttgart, Reutlingen, and Tübingen, which have with 3 universities and 8 universities of applied science, and they are also very strong in the area of life sciences. Therefore, we have also this different kind of spin-offs, and we have also a good support in technology transfer. You can see here some examples on the left-hand side, what they are producing, for example, vaccines, diagnostics, telemedicine, but also are active in the food sector or, for example, providing biomaterial sensors and artificial intelligence. Furthermore, we are also well connected within the European Union. So we have cooperations with different kind of organizations. I have not added all the organizations, but some logos, so you can see or get an impression how we are connected within Europe. And here also is some selected projects. We have, for example, 2 projects, AIM and SustainMed, focusing on the cooperation between the medical technology industry and the clinics. Then we have NAMWISE and STEP4NAMS, which aim to support to replace animal testing. Then 2 projects, BioMan and eHub, focusing on the support of biomanufacturing, and finally Rehab, which supports the implementation of technology into the rehabilitation sector. I selected one project because we are looking here for partners, especially for the next year, to make some kind of rollout from Germany to other countries. And this is the so-called Industry and Clinic platform with the name AIM, Access to Innovation in Medical Technologies. And this AIM platform tries to connect the industry with the clinical need to co-develop new products for better healthcare. And this is funded by the Federal Ministry of Research, Technology and Space in Germany. But as mentioned, we would like to expand it a bit or cooperate with other regions. And so I just want to show you how it works, basically the idea. We match the ideas from the clinics and also from medical technologies. Then we forward these ideas to our clinical guide, which very well knows the clinic inside. So in our example, we are working with the University Hospital of Tübingen, which is also a very good clinic. And then this guide looks for specialists to evaluate the ideas for clinical adoption. Then we also support the acquisition of cooperation partners and funding, access to clinical resources and data, then also the support in the cooperation, coordination, and provide also some guidance for faster market entry and reimbursement. And here, especially for the next year, we are looking for partners to apply for European projects. This could be, for example, secondary use of clinical data, development of an annotation process, establishment of quality controls for annotated data, development of data-driven medical products, and implementation of business cases for the use of clinical data. So that's basically from my side. Thank you for your attention.